Whoa. Hey. I wasn't expecting you in here. I guess you caught me while I'm getting ready for this weekend's autocross. So since you're already here, I might as well show you what I'm packing for the trip. First, I'd like to point out that this 12-gallon box, this tote, fits perfectly from Lowe's. 12-gallon, $10 from Lowe's. In this tote, I have this air compressor, which is definitely crucial for adjusting tire pressures on site, which goes along with a tire pressure gauge. Got my trusty jack, low profile of course, because, well, GR86 things. Pair of jack stands. Never want to mess around with safety when swapping out wheels. And they fit. Torque wrench, of course, with 17, 19, and 21 mil sockets, because you never know when someone might need one in the paddock. Impact drill with extra batteries. There's one 5 amp hour battery there, one 8 amp hour battery here with the charger. These dead batteries are not on the agenda this weekend. One extra quart of oil because, well, boxer engine. And last but not least, some Windex, some quick detailer, and I'll probably grab a few more rags just in case. So, that's the loadout. Nothing too fancy, but it keeps me covered for a full autocross weekend, 3 hours from home. Actually, since you're already in the trunk, you might as well come along, yeah? Let's go!